Hello, we're Mara and Drew of Winged Heart Stained Glass and we'd like to welcome you to our virtual trade fair. We have run our business for quite a long time now and we have a lot of products, and Drew is going to introduce you to those and talk about them a little more and how we operate. We do a lot of bespoke work for heritage shops in this country and around the world, and we're very enthusiastic about stained glass. Drew will take over from here.
We would like to welcome our UK and international buyers to this ACE conference and trade fair. Many of you will be familiar with our ranges of stained glass gifts, bespoke to their cathedrals and museums, which we've done for 40 years, which is quite some time, but very pleased to do it and make a contribution towards the fabric of the buildings that we're all trying to preserve and enhance. We have decided that this year, it was a COVID year, we would keep our prices exactly the same as last year, so no increases, and you'll find the prices in the documents folder below, together with the contact information and also information on the bespoke, because this is one of the great strengths of our firm, that we've always done personalised bespoke to all the cathedrals and museums and cultural heritage art entities that we've dealt with. So this is we look forward to hearing from you, and you can speak with Mara on the contact information below. So no increases in prices this year. Right. Some news. You're many familiar with our window transfer static clings, which are bespoke, and we supply to many cathedrals and museums very successfully. They're inexpensive and they've done very well for us over the last few years. This year, to celebrate ACE, we're bringing out another product, and this is stained glass souvenir cards, souvenir greetings cards. Here you have the name, personalised to the name here. It could be Westminster Abbey, it could be St Paul's Cathedral, it could be anywhere. A souvenir of the stained glass. And inside, cut into the card, is a little free gift. It's a static cling, window transfer. And so they can peel it off and just stick it on the window. There's no adhesive, it's just static cling. It's a wonderful little gift which goes to the person who receives the card, and it just makes the card something different, but it's totally personalized to the outlet. So if you want to, there's two things now. Firstly, we've made a virtual trade fair, because this is just an introduction, a virtual trade fair for those who are less familiar with us or just want to find out. If you go into the social media section below, you will click on it, you will find lovely videos of not only our virtual trade fair, but also how we make our products, how we craft them. Because yes, we do start with sheets of glass and we cut them down smaller and we cut them round and into panel shape. Yes, we do all that, and then we hand print the black line on them, then we hand colour the paints on them. People do not believe that goes into it, and that's why it takes a little while sometime for us to do repeat orders in the height of summer and things like that. However, we've got quite good at that. So anyway, this is social media. Have a look there, and also have a look at this section on how we make the products. It's very, very interesting. And as I say, for our go to the documents folder for the price lists and information, bespoke, and website names and the contact details. So we look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day, and have a look round our trade fair. We hope so. We really enjoyed making it, and Mara and I wish you all the best for this coming summer season, and may it really make up for what we've all had to put up with over this last year. Let's hope it gets better. Thank you very much. Bye bye.